Hello, welcome to my comparison video between my dispute processor and that of the client dispute manager. All right, so I'm going to show you how fast it is to process a dispute on mine right now first. All right, so what we do is we go and copy the client. We're going to go over to the dispute processor main screen, and we're going to add in the negative items. All right, so this part is pretty quick, so all I do is paste, tab over. I'm going to choose which bureau it's on. We're going to say that it's Experian only. We're going to add it. We're going to say it's capital 1 517805, and we're going to say that this was not legally investigated, and if you don't have proof that it's mine, you need to remove it immediately. How did you do this investigation? Right, now let's go and add in the next one. We're going to say that this one is going to be Equifax, and it's an unknown collection, and it's D87456. Pursuant to section 609, this must be removed immediately due to the fact that there's no proof of ownership. Because you did not furnish a signed contract, you need to remove this. All right, we're going to go and add the third one. And this one's going to be TransUnion. Oh, let's change that to TransUnion. Get rid of Equifax, add in TransUnion, and we're going to put this one as Comenity Victoria's Secret, and this is, I don't know what theirs is. And we're going to choose wrong account status or something, wrong account type. All right, so now we go to the dispute print screen, and once it loads, we're going to choose a date as the third. We're going to go and add her in. We're going to choose the disputes. Experian. How did you verify? Experian. Today's date. Choose the client. Choose the account. Choose the reason. Choose the bureau. And lastly, choose the date. Choose the client, choose the account. Oh, didn't want that one, want this one. And choose the bureau. Why is this not coming up? There we go. Oh, because my thing is in the way. I need to move it. Sorry about that. My screen recording thing was in the way. All right, so now when we go and look at the page designer, we're going to see that we have the collection. Let me see. Yep, okay. So this is letter number 1, letter number 2, and letter number 3. It's really as simple as that. You just go and print it, or you save it, and that's it. All right, so now I'm going to go and first I need to pause the screen so I can pull up the other one. We're going to go add in some accounts that are similar to this and then see how long it takes to do it on the client dispute manager. All right, so pausing the video. Okay, so now we are in Jane Doe's profile on the client dispute manager, and we are going to add it in. Let's have unknown collection. Account number is D123456. The collection balance, let's just say 0. We're going to choose Equifax and then save. Okay, let's choose another one on Experian. U.S. Bankruptcy Court, account number 123456. This is going to be a bankruptcy, no balance. We're going to choose Experian, save. Okay, and then lastly, we're going to choose. That one didn't save. All right, so for whatever reason, we need to put in a balance. Now we're going to save it. Sorry about that. for whatever reason on here, you actually have to put in a freaking balance. So we're going to choose Community. Oh, screw you. Community, Victoria's Secret, whatever. This is going to be a charge off. Balance is 1,000. And okay, now we choose that it is TransUnion and save. All right, so now we have to go to the credit bureau screen. And on the credit bureau screen, we need to, once it loads, we need to choose that we want to dispute them all. So we have to, once it loads, like I said, we need to choose them. Come on. Their website is like really slow. So we need to choose these and then dispute them. Yes. Go to the credit bureau screen. And now we need to choose the letter, the round, the reason. So this is going to be round one. We're going to put a custom reason in. We're going to choose letter 1, and we're going to say, this account has the wrong date of last activity. Needs to be removed immediately for inaccuracy. And then we have to go and say add dispute. And now for the unknown collection pursuant to section 609, this account must be removed for recording false information. And if we don't have a signed contract to furnish, it's illegal recording. Go and add the dispute. And then the last one is remove immediately to the fact, like it's spelled today, fact that court and filing date are inaccurate. And we need to add the disputes. And then we need to move it to print. And once it moves to print, then you're going to be able to choose the letters that you actually want to print. All right, so you gotta wait for it to load, and now it's showing all 3 of Jane Doe's letters. You go and click on print. There we go, print. For whatever reason, their developer is having issues with the hover on buttons and everything, even though I've already notified them. So because this isn't a real client, we're going to say that we printed them and they moved to the archive screen and now they're notified. Okay. All right. So that you can obviously see takes longer than mine. All right. So if you're interested in my dispute processor, it is very, very simple. It comes with full instructions and videos, and you can buy it on the Fiverr store at fiverr.com/credit deletions. You can also get it on my website at expertcreditsweeps.com/store. All right, so I will see you guys next time, but I just wanted to take out the time to show you that mine is faster than theirs. There's your proof. See you guys later. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.